Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Allegra, and in today's video I'm just going to quickly show you how you can clean up your Windows oven, right? So it's actually the outside door. I don't know how you call it, if it's your outside windows or if your oven door or whatever. So I'm going to show you how you can open it and how you can clean it up. So if you look right here, just here, there are like clips. There's ones here, they're like clips, just small clips here from both sides. So this one clip from one side, and if you go to the other side here, and there is a second clip here. My camera is not really bright, but you're going to see it. It's like this one here. So it's just like there is. I'm just gonna put it back, but if you just look here, my camera is not great, I'm sorry for that, but it's just like one small clip there. So what you do, you bring those clips out, you open them like fully all the way back, right? And what you have to do, you just have to push your door as if you were closing it back, so until you feel the weight of the door on your hands. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just gonna do as if I'm closing it back all the way back, and it's just gonna come out on me. So it's pretty simple and easy. So I have it out now. I'm just gonna leave it here on top of my oven. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will try to open and to access this window here, and to take this one out and to clean it up and to clean this one here as well. So this is the brand of my oven, right? The Whirlpool. So okay, so I have the dough right here on the surface. So basically, if you turn it, I'm just going to show you back the position. So it was this way, basically. It was this way. Now I just turn it this way. And if you look here, right down here, you're going to see there are two screws here. So I'm just going to use my table knife to try to unscrew these ones here. So I don't know where I've left my screwdriver, but this is really dirty and messy, right? So I'm just gonna remove one and screw, and this one here as well. This is a bit hard somehow. Well, I will definitely open it anyway. Okay, so that's it there. Now, so I have this one out, almost out here. Okay, now I'm just gonna lift this one up. Okay, so it's gonna come apart as two things, right? And then it's going to give me the opportunity to access this one here and to clean it up. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to lift it up this way, right? Just be careful, and I'm going to use this one here. Okay, so this is the spray I'm going to use. It's really dirty, and just going to clean it all the way. I'm going to take my re-sponge. Okay, so here is my window. They are all clean. I'll just clean them up, and I'm going to close them up just the same way I opened them. So it's moving a little bit. I have to make sure that it goes in here and it stays intact, right? So I have to make sure I line up everything, because this, right, so everything looks Okay, now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this screw back and screw everything. And here I'm going to secure these ones back as well, and just to close. Actually, I'm gonna take off my gloves because they're just not helping me at all. Okay. Okay, so here's the first one. We go here, and this one here is closed. I'm just gonna go with the second one. This one somehow seems to be stuck there. I don't know, it was hard from the beginning though. But I just have to push and screw, push and screw. Alright, so it's moving now. It's moving smoothly now. Right, so now this is basically secured. There's a bit of dirt here which I did not really pay attention, but I'm just gonna clean it up again. Go. So right now I've just cleaned the window. Everything is ready to go back, and the same way that I put it out, I'm just gonna put it. So basically I'm just gonna insert these ones in from both sides, yeah, until it's clean, right? So it's in, then I'm gonna put it down here. It's down, and I'm going to lock these clips back. Just lock them, just push them down, easy. So you just push them down to lock, and easy to go. Now here is my dough done. I'm just gonna clean the outside of my oven because the inside is already clean and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.